may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks, pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang kiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself. Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi,
Sampalin ko sa publiko.
hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon.
Wala.
Sampalin ko sa pulit, sa...
Chairman,
Um,
session suspended.
Session suspended.